Here with the Closet Doctor. A little quick note on colors and visual controls. So this is our production board. We got a 6-week job board. All of our jobs, they get put on a magnet. The magnet has a background in it that denotes the type of project it is so that we know where it's at. So we go and we look at the calendar and we put something on the calendar. We can see the caldera. Immediately with our eyes we can tell that it's got a blue background, that is a garage. The Hackney here is green, and that is a closet. And Keter has a follow-up because it's in red. And so very visual, that tells us without having to look at the paperwork or anything what type of project it is. We carry that color coding through to our job clipboards. So garage ones, we print those sheets, those checklists out on blue, closets on green, our home offices or Murphy beds are on a different color. Additionally, on the visual controls, so this is one of our closet jobs, we have a section here for special orders, and as what you'll notice is we have a different stamp that we use for each one of those. So when we look at this paperwork, we take a quick look at it visually. We know that smiley face means that our foil that for that job has been ordered, or if there is no foil, we still stamp a smile face on it, and that just tells us we don't have to worry about it. Our material is being accounted for and put on the board for ordering, and that we sent code out to the machine, and so we can quickly look at that and go, oh hey, it's all taken care of. So very visual items. Let's go out here in the shop real quick. Another spot that we've got visual stuff, our edge banding area. We've got all kinds of different colors. We've got over 20 colors of edge banding. Some of them are very similar, and is what we had in the past. We had somebody pull something off that they thought was the right color because they read on the contract, and on the contract it said spring blossom, and so they looked and they pulled what they thought was spring blossom. Well, is what we've got a Kanban card. It has our information on that, all of our ordering, but we actually have a sample of that, so when they pull out the contract and they're going to run spring blossom, they can compare the Kanban card to the actual edge band they're pulling off of the machine. So very visual. They don't have to read, they don't have to figure anything out, they don't have to cross-reference an order number or anything like that. It's visual. You know what? This matches right there. Very simple and easy. Another one that we did over here on our CNC machine, this is our CNC cabinet. We're in the process of switching over. So we've got our tools that are used regularly. We have color coded them. So we've got a blue one here, that's our 1/2 inch down. In the machine, the fork that tool goes in has blue on it so that it goes back in there. We also have we're changing tools right now. Our 1/2 inch compression is green, and our 1/4 inch down is yellow. Those are the three that we use the most of. And so in the back of the machine, they're color coded there. Additional ones, our tool bit holders. We go through a lot of 1/2 inch compressions. When they come in, we take them out of the box. We put them in this green board right here, and that tells us that those are the sharpened bits. Holds 10 of them. When then we take them out, we put them into another holder that is red. That means don't use, it's red. When we fill this up, the sharpening guy will come in and pick up those bits. We run them all as a set so that they're all the same size when they come back from the sharpener. So just a few of the visual controls that we use. Doing stuff like that, along with labeling things so we know what's in it. The easy visual controls so that it makes it simple for the guys in the shop. Hope this helps.